Hey guys, I hope y'all are having a great day. I am headed into the Goodwill outlet bins to see what kind of treasures I can find. Let's go digging. Looks like they got a bunch of stuff out. It took me forever to find a cart that worked. I wish they would just get rid of all the broken ones. This looks like a runner. Ooh. Needs to be cleaned, but I like that neutral brown color. Look, this little heart pillow, that's cute. Oh, look, this life-size Elsa. Wood. Love that. It's very big though. I don't know. We're running out of room. I need to go through her room and get rid of stuff because we're always getting new things for her. Alright, let's go dig on this side. It's my favorite part. What are these? These are adorable. I'm definitely getting these. That's perfect for mystery boxes, and I have not been finding a whole lot of items for mystery boxes, so definitely need to get these. I want to find stuff to put in mystery boxes, but at the same time, I don't want junk. I want stuff that's cool and unique and things that I would put in my home. This definitely came with a picture at one time. Oh, they changed now bins. That's pretty. Has this handmade look to it, but I don't think it's handmade. That is beautiful. I think I'm gonna get this for myself. I like it just as a little tray or something, a little trinket bowl. Beautiful. Y'all, look at this little kangaroo charm with the tiny baby kangaroo. That is adorable. Look how small it is. Adorable. What is this little piece? It is extremely heavy. It has a little ship on it. Can't read what it says. I'll just put some floral in there. That's cute. We're gonna get that. Ooh, I wish this was real $100 bills. I'm sure they wouldn't be here. Look at this little chicken made in Japan. That is so cute. I would stick a little egg in there for Easter. Let me get that to put in a mystery box. This little glass piece. Oh, look at this. Oh man, it's broken right here. I actually really like that clock. It's like an older piece. I like these little glass cups. These say made in Japan as well. There's 3 of them. I love the size and a little ribbon here. I think I'm gonna get these too. I can sell them as a set of 3. Look how good they look with my blue dishes. So this is what I have a lot of in my house. This beautiful grayish blue color, and then this white. Love that. Ooh, what are these? Look, Lefton little egg holders. This one has a bunch of chips on it. Oh, this one, look at a chip on that one. They all have chips on them, so I think I'm going to leave them here, unfortunately. I just spotted 2 plates that are like that bowl that I have. These are so beautiful. Can y'all see how uneven it is? They look handmade. There's no markings on them. Oh, I also picked this up. It's a table runner. Look how good it looks with that. I think I'm gonna give that to my neighbor. I'm always shopping for my neighbor. I don't know if y'all know anything about this set of dishes. Definitely leave me a comment. I'm getting them. They are just too beautiful to pass up. Maybe I'll find some more in here, or even another day when I come, because definitely sometimes I find half of one set and then I'll come in another day and I'll find some more. Ooh, this is a perfect mystery box item. I love these little frames. This is a little brass one, very ornate. Looks like they have a bunch of Christmas out. Here's some little tiny candlesticks, I think this is. I don't know. They're dumping the bins. They're dumping the bins. I have not dug through all of these yet. Okay, she left. Let's hurry up, let's dig before she comes back. So what happens is they dump out all these bins and they bring out new stuff, which is exciting, except when I haven't dug through all of this yet. That's interesting. Wow. This is really cool. Somebody handmade that. I love this. It needs to be cleaned up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some tape on it and that'll pull up all the dust and stuff, and I can also take my air compressor and spray it off. Ooh, what are these? Looks like somebody handmade these things. Look how goofy looking. They're kind of cute. They so goofy looking. Looks like they're clearing out both sides, so that is exciting. Look at this frame that I just found. It is wood and it is beautiful. It's definitely an older piece. It was made in California. I love this. Somebody needs that in their room. Oh, I also found some stuff from Ren, some little small toys that she likes. This is a very exciting find. My daughter is trying out for cheerleading next week and she needed some white shoes. Y'all, I found her some varsity cheerleading shoes in her size and they are in great condition. Love when I find stuff that I need. Now I just need to find some soccer cleats in Ren's size because she's going to be playing little kickers. Waylon begged me to put her in soccer so that he could help coach the team. So it's going to be adorable. I need to find her some little soccer cleats, preferably in pink because y'all know that is her favorite color. Oh, this looks like Mardi Gras. I needed this. Where were these pants last week when I needed them? I had no cute Mardi Gras gear to wear to the parade, so I definitely want to get some for next year. It was just kind of a last minute decision to go home from Mardi Gras, so I was not prepared. These little cats. That's cute. There's a bunch of glassware. That's plastic. This little Garfield mug. I hate Mondays. Alright, they're almost done. It's time to go digging. Hurry, hurry. Oh, I see stuff in people's hands. Why are these so empty? Y'all, they had so much good stuff in those bins. It kind of hurts my heart to look at what other people had in their carts. Look at this beautiful silver mirror. It is extremely heavy. So even though a bunch of other people got good stuff that I wanted, I did find some good things. Y'all know I love this kind of stuff. And look, they're in pristine condition. It is hard to actually find white stuff. So I got all of this. They have a little bowl, some little angels, some little bells. So I'm gonna lot these all together and sell them all together for Christmas. Look at this. Love these. This is for canning, and you know, it's been used and loved by someone, so we're gonna give it a new home. That would be great, just hanging on a hook in somebody's kitchen. This little ginger jar, I think that's what it's called. It says Andrea, made in Japan. I never find this kind of stuff, and I love the colors and all on it, so I'm gonna get that. And then look at this. This is the best find so far. I love this. Somebody just needs this to hang by their fireplace. I might need this to hang by my fireplace. This is beautiful. And then this piece I need to look up because I don't know if I'm going to get it or not. I think it's great for spring. It's this kind of cabbage pattern. It has dragonflies and butterflies. It says made in Italy, and I don't see any chips on it. It is in pristine condition, so I don't know, I'll probably go ahead and get this as well. And then I came over here to film because it was quiet, and I spotted these things. Look at this cute little brass tray, perfect little item for a mystery box. And then they have all of these little silver trinket trays. I can't read what it says on the bottom. These are adorable. That'd be perfect to put just on a dresser to put some earrings and stuff in. I love those. I have all of these plates and all too, but I don't think we're gonna pick up any of this stuff right here. They're all, oh, they brought out some new bins. Let's go dig. Right, I did find a few things in the new bins that they brought out. Uh-oh, somebody broke something over there. Y'all, these are some super nice little grapevine wreaths. So there was a whole pile of them. I just grabbed them all. And then I don't know if I'm going to get this pot. So it has French on this side, which I think is cool. And I like the look of it, but you could also paint it white and distress it. And I think that would look good. But apparently it says this appliance is not for frying turkey. So I don't know what this came off of, but I think that would be really cute with some plants in it. And you could just turn it on the French side and nobody will know that it talks about turkeys. I could not find anything on this piece. I Google lensed it and it's in excellent condition, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and save it. I just got so much good stuff today, which is very exciting. So y'all leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite item that I got today. I'm gonna head out. They keep bringing out new bins, but I have to move on with my day. So I hope y'all enjoyed this shopping trip. I will see you in the next one, and I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on these items today.